Welcome. In today's video, I'll overview NFTs, why they are so popular, how profit is made, and what's a good platform you can purchase them on. I'll leave any relevant links in the description below. First of all, what is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. When something is fungible, it means it can be swapped out with another item with the same value. For example, a $20 bill can be swapped with two $10 bills. When something is non-fungible, it means it is unique and exclusive to its owner. A good example would be Michael Jackson's Thriller jacket. It was sold for $1.8 million. You could easily find the same type of jacket online for $100. In this case, the value comes from the person who owned the jacket. Both items cannot be exchanged in a like-for-like scenario as they have different asset values, meaning MJ's jacket is a non-fungible item. So let's take the real-world scenarios and enter the digital space. By adding token to the end of non-fungible means the product is now a digital asset recorded on the blockchain, meaning you can verify the date it was created, who had created it, and any resale history. So what is all the hype about? The current hype is around NFT digital art and the amount they are selling for. Anyone can create an NFT and sell it on their marketplace such as OpenSea. However, the value of an NFT is based on multiple factors such as the artist, the story, the rarity, the authenticity of the NFT, and the demand. Famous artist Beeple had created a digital piece of art every single day for 5,000 days, and then put those individual artworks in one large digital collage, which was sold as a one-of-one NFT. Many corporations have started to recognize the value of NFTs like Visa, buying a CryptoPunk for $150,000. When these companies make these huge purchases, they do it for a few reasons, such as seeing the resale opportunity, becoming trendsetters within the industry which causes competitors to follow, and huge global publicity for being the first in the sector to enter the NFT space. Companies also understand that NFT use cases are scalable and can apply to many different applications beyond digital art, such as music sales, real-world property assets, logistics, and more. So how is profits made through NFT sales? NFTs can be created and verified on any blockchain that allows smart contracts, such as Ethereum, Solana, or Cardano. With Cardano smart contracts just being rolled out, the hype behind NFTs created and sold on the Cardano blockchain had been on the rise, meaning there is a high purchasing power. NFT marketplaces built on Cardano provide low transaction fees in comparison to Ethereum. CFNT is a marketplace where users can buy, sell, and mint NFTs. The platform has seen a huge rise in traffic across the last month, from only 10,000 visits up to over 1.1 million. CFNT Analytics is a great website that allows users to track weekly and daily sales of projects, allowing you to keep an eye out on which collections are in demand. For example, Drunken Dragons will have play-to-earn features within its gameplay, so before launching they are already selling NFTs that will be used within the game. So the value to make profit comes from buying these NFT characters and selling them at a later stage if the demand of the NFT goes up in value. As you could see, in the past month it was ranked 15, in the last week it took 14th spot, and in the last 24 hours, the sales have pushed it to 8th position. If you are interested in the NFT space, I highly recommend to do your own research, broaden your understanding of the marketplace, and make decisions which you are comfortable with. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and stay tuned for more mining and crypto content. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.